We begin with the latest on the weather. The flash flood watch has again been extended for low-lying and flood-prone areas of all parishes until 5 o'clock tomorrow afternoon as heavy rains lash the country.
The rains have disrupted the operations of the National Water Commission as well as the state-run Jamaica Urban Transit Company, JUTC. More in this report.
The scene across several sections of the island today, overcast conditions as well as rain pelting some parishes. Manchester and Portland with some of the areas most affected, according to the Met Service. The reason, a broad trough across the Central Caribbean. And there's likely to be more rain across the Western Caribbean, including Jamaica, tonight into tomorrow. The trough is being affected by Tropical Storm Nate, now moving north through the far Western Caribbean.
Expecting this trough to linger within our region for the next day or so, moving towards the west as Nate moves into the Gulf of Mexico. Nate, however, is not a threat to Jamaica, but the showers and thunderstorms induced by this trough is what responsible for the activity today. Rainfall amounts cut up to about 2 inches in some areas. Expecting rainfall tonight, but not as intense as it was today. Rainfall again tomorrow, however, tapering off into the weekend. Fast flood watch was extended until 5 p.m. tomorrow.
The weather conditions affecting the state-owned National Water Commission. The NWC saying several customers in sections of rural St. Andrew and Portland are experiencing a disruption in their supply due to the heavy rain. In a statement this afternoon, the National Water Commission said the rain has resulted in high turbidity affecting operations. The NWC says it will restore their regular water supply as soon as normality returns to some of the affected facilities. The state-run Jamaica Urban Transit Company, JUTC, also affected. The JUTC says it's reduced the number of buses in operation because of the aging state of its fleet and that commuters should brace for delays.